Utah judge suspended for 6 months without pay for anti-Trump social media posts. A Utah judge who's been on the bench in Taylorsville for more than 20 years has been suspended for 6 months without pay over Facebook post slamming President Trump's inability to govern and political incompetence. Utah Supreme Court Justice John A. Pierce concluded in an opinion posted Wednesday that Judge Michael Kwan's politically charged posts on both his Facebook and LinkedIn accounts in 2016 and 2017 were in violation of the Judicial Code of Conduct and diminished the reputation of our entire judiciary. SE 1000.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.